one of the biggest ventures that I began working on shortly after uh, I was discharged from the rehab last July is I've been in child welfare for over 3 decades. This is my 35th year, and it started when I lived in Chicago for a season. And I've done everything from case management to teaching the classes for people that are interested in becoming foster parents. I've been a child protective investigator. I've been a supervisor of the division. I've been the program manager of the Child Protection Investigations Division. So it's been 35 years that I've been in this,
And
and
this is for
now I'm sorry.
and this is for the Pinellas County Sheriff's Department.
My most recent was, yes, I retired from the Pinellas County Sheriff Department, but I work with the state agency as well, and now I work with the lead agency in Pinellas and Pasco County, and I do recruitment for foster parents, and specifically, I focus on faith-based audiences. I go to churches and other faith-based places and talk about the need for foster parents and ask people to consider becoming foster parents. Give them data and numbers and things of that nature of the children, the number of kids we have in our system of care. And this was God. I'm telling you, this position did not exist. They came to me and said, if we create this position, will you take it? This was after my retirement. And so and it was just custom made. I mean, I love being in the house of God, being in the house of God. So I don't mind going to church and talking about, our children, our need and things of that nature, because I know the answers is sitting in those pews. So this is not a job to me. So that I've been doing that after retiring from the sheriff's office. I've been doing what I'm doing now for the last 7 years. And most recently, I God gave me a vision on how to address the issue with children, especially males, aging out of foster care. They turn 18, and a lot of them there's nowhere to go. There's no after plan per se. So they end up either on the streets, they're homeless, or they end up incarcerated. Many of them, unfortunately, end up dead, and that's just that's not the will of God. I don't believe. That's not, I wish above all things, the Lord says, that you prosper and be in good health, even as your soul prosper. I think those kids that are aging out of foster care are included in what the Lord is saying there.